Then the siren.
இப்ப அதை நினைச்சிட்டு போகலாம்.
Hello, the volume.
ஆ?
You must put the volume low. Cannot even hear, huh?
Right?
இந்த பிலிப்பினோ அந்த இந்தோனேசியன்னு சொன்னல இப்ப அதை நினைச்சிட்டு இருப்பா.
Oh, I heard. I cannot hear the message.
Message இல்லை என்ன இருக்கு? Finish இல்லையா?
It's sounding.
You're very low. No, no, no. ஐயோ, hey! Don't be excited, huh?
I'm not.
அவர் போன பத்திரிக்கை நீ செய்யறதில்ல. Can't. Oh, no.
The important message which you have just heard alerts the population to tune into an important broadcast on any local radio station or free-to-air TV channel during major emergencies. The important message
1 minute 5 seconds.
for all smartphones that have the SG Secure mobile app downloaded. The signal will stop once the message is acknowledged or cease after 20 seconds. This will be followed by a brief text on the PWS sounder. In a real emergency, tune in immediately to any local radio station or free-to-air TV channel for an important message on public protective measures when you hear the important message signal. The public warning system has two other signals, namely the alarm signal and the all clear signal. When you hear the alarm signal, move to a shelter immediately. The all clear signal is sounded when the threat is over and you can leave the shelter. Visit scdf.gov.sg to know more about the PWS signals. This message is brought to you by SCDF.
Wake up to Singapore dream. Everyone has their own version.
This is a dream come true, but it is a very unstable job as you can see.
It's quite loud this time, huh?